Alright, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your Cash Card isn't activating. So what we want to do is just load up Cash App, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now we will go into support, but don't panic. We will use the search bar here and search for Activate Card. Now once we have searched for Activate Card, we don't want to click on this first article. We want to click on the second one that has a little link icon. Click on Activate Card now, and it's gonna take us to a field here that lets us scan our Cash Card. Now if that doesn't show for you or that doesn't work, you can activate without a QR code. So once you click on Activate without QR code, it's going to instead ask you for the CVV of the card and then some further information from the Cash Card itself. Now you can completely get this by just looking at your Cash Card. If for some reason that doesn't work still, you can go to support and then you can search for Activate Card yet again, and this time we will click on the first article and we will just select chat and ask support for help. If it's something is wrong with your account, then they can fix it on their end and you should be able to activate your Cash Card without any issues then. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.